Here we go. We are in level 1, and that's the bell, the oldest bell in Australia. Oh, wow. We're going up. We're only at level 1, and we will heading to level 6. Go level 2. Keep left at all the time, and you got your handrail here. Oh, this is more interesting. That's how birds look like. All the pictures all about the history of bell tower. So guys, we are in level 3. Let's continue. Look at what I found here. That's why have they kept the bell. Quite interesting. And we can see the other side of South Perth. There you go. Alright. We are at level 4, so let's go. We're going level 5. So I'll explain all about the different types of bell. I like that one, the little one, cute one. Alright, let's go. We're going to next level. Oh, next to me, that's where I'm stay there. Ritz-Carlton, the beautiful hotel next to bell tower. As we can see, there is some balcony. Alrighty, let's go to level 5. More interesting to going up. Oh, nice screen. There you go. Wow. such a good experience. It's saying 100 years of 𝐸𝐮𝐬𝐫𝐞, the spirit lives. 2014 to 2018. Look at that. That is a massive bell ever. Wow. Okay. And there is some explanation of Elizabeth Quay development, the bell tower today. So what happens this one? The 𝐸𝐮𝐬𝐫𝐞 all about history. Okay, so we are at level 6. Oh, not yet, still level 5. You can see the city from here, but I'm gonna take you up to the tower. More interesting and fun to be explorer. Wow, we get there, guys. Here I am. This is the top of the tower. So, yep, we're going look outside. As you can see, a lot of view, 360-degree view. This is a lot of bell here, but look like different type. All right, the first side of the view, that is the north Perth. Wow, big picture. So this ship lets you go to the island. So beautiful. It's cool, right? Oh wow. Okay. So what's next one? There you go. This is the rest of the tower. Wow. Seriously. So cool. Okay. We gotta go to next view. It must. So 360-degree. Wow. Feel excitement. Wow. Look at the floor. Let's do it. So cool. Oh wow. So beautiful up on the top here. I'm the first person on the top with my husband and my kids, so yeah, number one. No one can beat it. And there is a second person too. Okay. The journey is finished. And yeah, thank you for watching. Follow, like, and subscribe. And I got my TikTok account. Thank you.